This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: signed in Google account, current recovery email, and a working phone number. Once ready, go directly to the security section of your Google account and find two-step verification. This is where you turn the feature on. You choose an initial method, text message, phone call, or authenticator app, because that decision affects setup steps. Make sure to pick a device you control, since Google will immediately send a verification prompt to validate ownership. You now configure the detailed methods. If you use an authenticator app, scan the QR code and enter the generated 6-digit code to link it. Once done, add a secondary phone number as a fallback and register any additional devices you trust by confirming the prompt on each. Also generate backup codes and download or print them. These are your last resort if devices are lost. Doing this reduces lockout risk and explains why layered methods improve account resilience against compromise. You finish by enabling two-step verification and immediately performing a test sign-in to confirm prompts arrive and codes are accepted. Once complete, review trusted devices and remove any you no longer use. If something goes wrong, first check that device clocks are synced correctly. Authenticator codes rely on accurate time. If you're locked out, use your saved backup codes or the secondary phone. If those fail, follow Google Account Recovery steps promptly to regain access and avoid extended down.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.